The next loop we're about to review is for loop. So a simple for loop to print the numbers from 0 to 10. What we're doing? Well, the syntax is, first I have for, opening the bracket. The first part is initialization. I can initialize a variable inside the scope of my for loop, which can be used, and it's most often used as counter. So I'm saying let number equal 0. After that, before each iteration, I'm going to check if this condition is true. So if number is less than 10, I'll execute this code. If it's not, I'm going to continue. After that is my update statement. This thing is executed after each iteration is done. So in that case, we're saying number plus plus. And what's happening? I'm saying I'm defining a variable number which is equal to 0, and this is defined only once when you step to that loop, but it's not on each iteration. Number less than 10 and number plus plus, so update and condition statements are checked every time, but this is done only once. So I'm creating a variable number which is equal to 0, and while it's less than 10, I'm going to log it inside my console. With each iteration, I'll increase the value with 1. So first I'm going to print 0, then I'm going to increase it with 1, and it will be still less than 10, so it become 1. Then after that, I'm going again to increase the value to become 2, and is 2 less than 10? Yes, it is 2, and let's say we continue like that with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's say we have 9. So I print 9, and I come here, increase it with 1, and it will become 10. Here I'm going to check. Is actually 10 less than 10? Well, no, it's not. And this will be false. When it becomes false, I'm just canceling the next iteration, and I continue with my code. So a simple for loop to calculate n factorial. I'm saying like factorial equals 1. Then I'm defining my variable inside for loop, and I'm saying while I is less or equal to n, execute factorial multiplied equal to I, and with each iteration increase it. So you can see that with for loop, sometimes it's much easier to do things instead of while loop, and you can see that even code is less and easier to understand when you're calculating factorial with for loop.